incessantly. Definition: without interruption, constantly. Sentence: she talked about him incessantly. Synonyms: constantly, continually, non-stop. Antonyms: occasionally. Pallid. Definition: pale, typically because of poor health. Sentence: you look a bit pallid. Do you feel all right? Synonyms: colorless, dull, animate. Antonyms: flushed, lively, reverberate. Definition: to echo repeatedly. Sentence: her deep, booming laugh reverberated around the room. Synonyms: resound, echo, resonate. Antonyms: oppose, differ. Indolent. Definition: to be lazy. Sentence: my friend lost his job because he was an indolent person. Synonyms: idle, slothful, lazy. Antonyms: energetic, industrious. Comprehend. Definition: grasp, mentally understand. Sentence: she failed to comprehend the seriousness of the situation. Synonyms: understand, apprehend. Antonyms: exclude. Incessantly. Pallid. Reverberate. Indolent. Comprehend.
Repeat this for 10 times, to be perfect. Please subscribe and like for next day target.